Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Dustin, Every Specialist. So I'm on top of a roof, and of course it's an Alliance. It's a 2025, 2026 model. It's only 8 months old. What I want to show you is last night it had a light rain, and so you can see all the water that's standing on here, right? This room was closed, okay? This room was not open, and this room was closed making contact, right? So you can see where water got past here and here. That's kind of normal, right? A thing that I want to bring out to you is this corner here. These typically rub and cause damage to the seals because they're hung over a little bit. Now you can take a little grinder or something and clean that edge off, but that's just from friction. And then same thing with this. You see that little rivet or screw or whatever that's there that holds on this plastic piece? That guy will end up rubbing and snagging on these seals and causing them to tear and crack. So regardless whether you replaced them or not, it's going to happen again. It's just from actual movement and friction. I did another video earlier about keeping these seals clean. So you need to clean and treat the seals. You need to clean and treat the roof surface. You can even see right here where the silicone is starting to let loose, right? So again, that's just all maintenance. That needs to be sealed up there. So people come in all the time and say, hey, my roof is leaking. Well, water's running down right here just like it is. And it's going right into those holes on that wiper seal. And what holds this wiper seal on is just staples and screws. So underneath here, see that staple? There's also going to be some screws, and that's like that all the way down. So if you're not cleaning and maintaining it, and you're not, keeping the sealant up on it, you're going to expect to have problems. Again, this one's got some screws that are rubbing through here, but again, that's from it being dirty and the seal's not being treated. So anyways, we'll talk to you soon. This is Dustin, Every Specialist. Have a great day.